auditors kind of getting into this for the first time, or maybe wanting to do a little bit more in this area, what are 2 or 3 things that they could focus on to get some quick wins right away?
If I was going to pick one thing, assuming no experience, is to do a PII audit. Look at literally workflow. Do a workflow of how you normally communicate someone's identity within your organization. And I would do it as 2 parallel tracks. One is your employees, all right, because you don't want your employees compromised, right? We've seen enough stories in the paper. And then that identifiable information of your clients, because you don't want that compromised. And literally do what I would call a people, process, and technology workflow. Identify all internal, external vendors, and literally follow it and chart it out. And once you have that visual up on the screen, it will jump out at you. Wait a second, we have a vendor that's using an internet system or an intranet system, or we have a vendor that's taking information overseas. Who are actually their vendors as well? It will be an enlightening experience.
Well, Rebecca, maybe before we go, you can give us one piece of advice that you would have for an individual working in this area.
I actually do. We often learn by watching and understanding our own use of PII. So any environment that you're in, whether you're going into a healthcare facility or not, the best thing an auditor can do to start practicing is asking, hey, how are you using my information? What are you doing with it? Where are you storing it? And once you're done with it, where are you going to maintain that? So start by looking at your own identity and how it's used.
Rebecca, thank you so much for your time today. We really appreciate it.
Thank you.
I'm Jim Pelletier. We've been talking to Rebecca Bush, and thank you for watching Audit Channel TV.